I'm going to show you how to locate and navigate through Canoa's Catalog Pro. This is where you'll be able to maintain, update, and import new products to your Canoa catalog. If you're a supplier, you'll be able to publish as well. So let's get started. When you log into your Canoa account, you'll be taken to your Canvas dashboard, where I am now. If you look on the left, you'll see your navigation bar. You'll see 3 tools on the top, which are Canvas, Product, and your team. And down below, you'll see My Catalog, which we'll come back to later. And then below that is Catalog Pro. Here you will see all of the products you've uploaded to Canoa. I do want to note that anything that you downloaded from Canoa's public catalog will remain in your main catalog, and you won't be able to edit on this page. If I click on this height adjustable table, it'll bring up an editable product card here on the right. And here you're able to edit any of this information. Say I want to update the list price to $1,200. I can change that here, and it will automatically save. There's also a filter tool, which comes in handy if you have multiple manufacturers or you really want to narrow down your search. So for instance, I want to change the prices or the lead times of all of my sofas. I'm going to come into category, I'm going to find seating, pull that down, and look for my sofas. So once I click on that, all of my sofas appear, and I can quickly go in and update their pricing or lead times or any of the information. You may also, I'm going to close out of this, you may also update the settings of the information that shows up in your Catalog Pro. You can uncheck any of these boxes and that info won't appear on your Catalog Pro dashboard. Another great thing you can do in the settings is update the view name. So right now I only have one view. I'm going to just name that Canoa Main View. Exit out of here. It updated the name here. But I always suggest creating a new view so that any of your team members won't be confused when they come in and they can work in their own view. So this view, I'm going to click on that, update the name. I'll just put my name. And then I have my own view to work in, and it won't affect the main view. So I'm currently in my view. I'm going to X out of the sofa so I can see all of my products. And that's really it for navigating. For more videos on bulk updating, sharing, and publishing, we have other videos in our Learning Center. So if you scroll back to the left, your navigation bar, hover over the question mark, go to the Help Guide. And I'm here at our Learning and Support Center, where you can browse all of the articles and all of the videos, or head to our YouTube page and check out our videos on Canoa Learn.